I've tested every fitness tech equipment out there, and today I'm reviewing the Tonal 2. I want to find out, is this the ultimate strength training system, and if this thing is actually worth your money. This video is sponsored by Tonal, but they let me say whatever I wanted. Now, what is the Tonal 2? It's a wall-mounted electromagnetic resistance system. There's no plates, no racks, so you can fold it up easily and it sits up against the wall. It's super flush. It doesn't take up any space when you're not using it, but it provides up to 250 pounds of digital resistance. So you can pretty much do almost any exercise on this device, over 280 plus, and they have other accessories that increase the movements even more. But when you're not using it, it's flush up against the wall. If I want to put it all away, I can go ahead and press this button right here. Slide the arms down, slides right in. I'll grab this right here, this hinge. It slides all the way down. So these arms, they have rotation. They can rotate in and out. They have angles, and they have the height, which is going up and down. So now it's up against the wall. It's kind of like in storage mode. It feels beautiful. I can go ahead and turn the screen off, and now you have no idea that it's there. It just looks clean. It's simple. I like that. It has a built-in camera. When you're doing the workouts, it'll give you in-the-moment guidance. So I think it's very helpful if you want to make sure you're doing the exercises properly. You do need a power outlet that's about 6 feet away. Luckily here, we were able to find one a few inches away. Most of the accessories will have buttons. So here I can go ahead and press this button. That will activate and deactivate the weights. You can hear the sound right there. So that creates a little bit of a safety mechanism. If you're getting into the exercise and you want the weights to be off, you can press it, weights are off, you get into position, you press it, you activate the weights. It feels like it's not right, you want to change something, you press it again, weights deactivate. Super simple and easy. And I love that it has a spotter mode. It automatically turns off the weights after I hold steady for just a few seconds. And you can adjust that time period as needed in the settings. When you're ready to use it, you'll just tap on the screen, it turns on. They do have live classes that you can take with an instructor. And then they have a ton of different kinds of workouts that are pre-built into the software. They have Pilates, yoga, classic strength training exercises that you can do. If you're working towards a certain goal, you can go ahead and find programs that help get you there. If you're like me and you prefer something that's more custom, they have a custom section as well, where I can go ahead and pick the specific movements that I want to use that day for those exercises. I can filter by back, shoulders, triceps, biceps, and then show you how to do it. And on the screen, Tonal guides you on how to get the arms in the right position. I found it absolutely effortless. The accessories, all you need to do, turn them in and out, and they slide right out. I want to put it back in, put it in, turn it, done. It's that simple and easy. This is a 23.8 inch touchscreen. It's massive. You can see the demos, the exercises. If I'm not sure how to do the exercise, they do have videos that show you the muscle groups that it's working, which accessory you need, how to do the movements. It's basically a cable machine, a personal trainer, and a data dashboard all in one. Now let's share what the installation process is like. You do need a load-bearing wall and then 7 feet by 7 feet of space, 8 feet up to the ceilings. The installation, people, were in and out in under 2 hours, and once it's set up, it looks like a nice piece of art. We did send in images of the types of wall where it's going to be mounted, as well as the material that the wall has, to make sure this could be mounted on this wall. Now that it's set up and installed, what does it actually feel like? Because it's digital resistance. It's not plates, it's not racks. It's very unique and different, yet just as powerful, if not more. So I personally believe strength training is critical, one, for longevity, being able to do the activities that you want to do, injury prevention. I'm running marathons. I want to stay strong. I want to stay big and healthy. So I almost always want to be doing the big compound lifts like squats, deadlifts, bench press to make sure I'm maintaining overall strength. The issue is that can sometimes be hard when you have to go to the gym on top of also running outside. So that's where a tool like the Tonal 2 comes in to help change the game for me. Now, in terms of how much weight does it support, it starts at 5 pounds, goes all the way up to 250 pounds of digital resistance, and you can increment that weight by 1 pound. Now, I have bench pressed over 300 pounds. I've squatted over 325 pounds. So if you are pushing the weights to a place where it's above the 250 pounds, this might not be for you. Personally, I haven't benched 300 pounds in a long time. I'm currently at about 225 at my max. And yes, the max weight is 250 pounds, but it actually feels heavier because it's digital weight. So I think for most of the general population, if you're trying to stay healthy, keep doing consistent strength training, make it easy, effortless, and accessible, that's where the Tonal comes in. I've tried other digital resistance machines, and sometimes the cable can feel a little jittery. It doesn't feel perfect. It makes some weird noises. So far with my testing of the Tonal 2, I've had no issues with that. The cables feel very strong. They feel consistent throughout, and it feels like a very high quality machine, which is absolutely important. Now, what makes it smarter and better than a classic rack or plate is that you have other modes. There's an eccentric mode where it can actually add more weight on the lowering phase, so it's just really good for strength building. There's a chains mode where it mimics progressive resistance throughout the lift. And all these modes feel genuinely smooth, not rubbery, not laggy, not like jittery. And because there's two sides to the cable machine, you can almost do any exercise with the accessories. I can do a chest press, I can do bicep curls, tricep, and even Pilates. We'll get into the accessories in a second. So as you can see on the top, there is a little smart camera. This gives you form guidance. As someone who does strength train, if you do things incorrectly, there is a higher likelihood that you could injure yourself. And when you're at home, maybe you're tired, you're not paying attention, you could be doing things incorrectly. Having a device that's watching you in a good way to make sure that you're doing the exercise in a safe and proper manner is extremely valuable and helpful. Not only that, you can also set up your phone on the side using the camera and the Tonal app to get a side view. I've been strength training for over a decade, so most of the time I'm kind of doing it right, but when I do get tired, my form does fall off, so it's helpful to have that guidance. And then for example, my parents who don't strength train as much, this is super helpful to make sure that they're doing the exercises properly so that way they can continue to build strength. What other cool data stuff? Well, we got the Apple Watch integration. Whoa! Not only that, I can also change the weights on the watch. I can increase and decrease the weights. I can activate and deactivate the weights straight from my Apple Watch. And then there's a strength score. So the strength score tracks your overall strength across all muscle groups over time. I love that I can see all the data on the screen in my app. I know how much weight I'm lifting overall. It's insane, like over thousands of pounds. And it gamifies it because the more that I see I'm increasing on these numbers and charts, it helps motivate me to keep coming back and building my strength. All of that creates a great workout experience that compounds over a long period of time. Now, it's not just strength training. There are different kinds of workout types that you can do on this device too. So there's a new one called Aero HIIT, which is new to the Tonal 2. It helps combine cardio with strength training. So I've been getting into marathons a lot more, and this has been really important to me. But Aero HIIT is different. It's like interval-based training, and it gets my heart rate up. That directly translates to better running economy. And I might be doing a triathlon, so this will help with cross-functional training. I used to be a yoga teacher. I love doing yoga. I recently got into Pilates, oddly, and they offer both of those. They have these Pilates straps that make it almost feel like you're on a Pilates reformer. It increases the tension as you push away. They have yoga classes directly on the screen, and it includes a mat that you can practice on. So the list of workout types are endless. I also love making custom workouts if I have a specific goal. Like once I did a 90-day fitness transformation and I really wanted to increase my bench press, and I'm just a bro, sometimes I love bench press. So I can go ahead and create custom workouts, picking movements that I like, choosing the reps, and modifying all the settings that I need to make sure I'm creating the specific workout that I enjoy doing so that way I can stay consistent with it. Tonal 2 gives you all the options and full control for what you need. Now, what about the accessories that we have here? These are the Pilates straps. You can see there's two different segments depending on which one feels the most comfortable. You can use those. They all come with this hook. For installation, you actually just slide it in and rotate for easy insert and removal. This is one of my favorite ways to do bicep curls and triceps. This feels high quality and well built. Finally, we have the barbell, which actually has a smart button here to activate and deactivate the weights. It slides in on both sides, super easy to use, and you're able to do deadlifts, bench press, all with this. We also have your standard cables. Very nice. One unique thing is they have these little buttons right here. I press it, you can hear it activating and deactivating the weights, just like that. We've got a little foam roller to help with warm up and warm down, get those tight muscles opened up. And for any workouts on the floor like yoga, there is a nice tonal mat that comes included. There's also a smart accessories bundle for $4.95 where you can get ankle straps and a few other accessories to help increase the number of movements and exercises that you can do with the device. Okay, cool. What if I have a Tonal 1? Is it worth upgrading to the Tonal 2? Now the Tonal 1 had 200 pounds of resistance, the Tonal 2 has 250 pounds. So you get 50 pounds more. As someone who benches 225, I'm trying to push 250, I would pick the Tonal 2. But if you're like, I need that weight increase, then I would upgrade. It has 75% stronger cables, the Aero HIIT exclusive, quieter motors, faster processor, sleeker all black design, and a true weight feel at lighter loads. So something that people had mentioned online was the Tonal 1 on the lighter weights just didn't feel the same as a barbell or a dumbbell at the same exact weight. So this new one is improved, it's better, and it feels more realistic. Now, one challenge is the subscription. I know all of us don't love subscriptions. It is $59.95 per month with a 12-month minimum. After that, you can pause or cancel. Then you have a free lift mode, so you can still use it. There's just no AI and there's no programs. So you're getting almost $720 per year for the membership. Now, if I compare that to a New York City personal trainer, that's like $150 a session. I could be paying $2,400 per month just for a personal trainer or even a gym membership. So when I compare it that way, this thing could actually save me money because I don't have to go to the gym. I don't have to pay for a personal trainer. I'm getting essentially the same workouts and I'm saving time on the commute. I think if you're someone who has kids, a family, extremely busy schedule, you want to get your workouts in. Maybe you're also running a marathon, triathlon. You want to maintain some strength and you don't have time to go to the gym for a 15, 20-minute workout. This is where a tool like the Tonal can massively change the game. Now, finally, can this Tonal replace your home gym? I think it's a great device as long as you're not maxing out the weights. You want something that's easily accessible and you have a space in your home, your apartment to be able to install it. If I'm saving time on the commute to the gym, I'm trying to do quick workouts to help supplement or cross train my triathlon or marathon training, or I have kids and I just want to be able to quick workout in while they're napping, this is probably the best tool out there. I haven't seen any other strength training device that can match this. There are some others out there that are also nice, but I think the Tonal is the top tier. Now let's talk about pricing. It costs $42.95. It also includes a 2-year limited warranty, and you have the option to purchase a smart accessories bundle for $495 that will increase the number of moves to 300 plus. And if you're still unsure, they do have a 30-day trial, so you love it or your money back guarantee, no questions asked. So if you're looking for the best, I would pick this one. If you're trying to save some money and maybe not get the highest quality tools, there are other options out there. They just don't last as long or feel as good. But these are all things to think about before purchasing the Tonal 2. And there is a link in the description. If you do want to buy it, click that link, it'll help support the channel. And if you have more questions about this device, please leave your questions down below. My name is Shervin Shares. Follow me on Instagram at Shervin Shares. Subscribe, turn on notifications. Click the link in the description if you do plan to buy one. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.